Are you ready for an interview?
Yeah, I'm ready for interview.
So I want to know what's your name.
Myself Nakul.
Okay, so Nakul, from which schools you are completing your education?
I am studying in government school.
Okay, in which standard?
I'm in 10th standard. 10th standard.
Your 10th standard. Okay. So in the 11th class, which stream you will take?
Arts.
Why arts? Why not science or commerce?
Here I took out my dream is I want to become IPS officer and I want to change our societies like what is running up.
You want to change it.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think about education?
What I'm thinking about like in today time education is good or better. Means yeah, in today time education is good and somewhere it is bad also. Like if I talk about the giving the facilities from the government, so it is giving full of facilities like teachers also and books, stationaries also. And I want to tell that I talk about the teachers. They are somewhere they are coming in the class in time come in the periods, but somewhere they are not coming. This is wrong about our education system.
Okay, nowadays committing the suicide, these kind of the cases are increasing in our society, and there are many students who commit the suicide. So what do you think? Why they are committing the suicide?
I think that because of the stress, because of the demotivation, like somewhere students get the suicide because of failing the exams. Like you can take the example of UPSC level exam, NEET exam. Like in previous time, I forget that when is, but then the so many students get the suicide because of just fail. Like they are not getting the full marks, they are not completing the NEET exam, they are not completing the UPSC exam, but they are just getting the suicide.
Okay, I would like to ask question related to these schools. So you are a students and especially you are learning in government school.
Yeah.
So which type of good things do you want to see in the government school?
As I talk about our school, like somewhere teacher are coming and teacher are not coming. So I want to see in our school that giving the better facilities to the principals, like send to the teachers in our class, like time period when period is running, like when period is start. So on that time teacher come fast, like they are my standard is 10th class and I want to see in and I want to take the 80 to 90% marks in our 10th standard.
Okay, which is the best for a person? Hard working or strong determination in his life?
I think that strong determination, because yeah, hard working is also good. If you have the strong determination, you have determined anything. So yeah, you will do hard work automatically. Like if I determine that I want to become an IPS officer, so yeah, I will do hard work. Like I will get the knowledge. I will read the whole books, 6 to 12 books, and I will get the knowledge, but because of just strong determination.
Okay, nowadays a lot of things are running. Some positive things are also running. Some negative things, some bad things are also running. So, what do you think about society?
I think that to the our society, in our society, the most of the peoples are present, like who are demotivating to the childrens. Like you can't do at the place of motivation. Like you can do take money and you can pay your fees as tuition fees and school fees, but they are not giving. They are just demotivating. Like you cannot do. They are thinking that if he will do, so our child will not do anything in future. So that's the thing that it should bad in our society.
Okay, so I would like to say thank you to participate in this interview class, and you have given all questions answer very beautifully. So, thank you so much.